welcome to another episode of Cloverbud Creators. Today we're going to be using our toilet paper rolls to make pet parrots. So here are some of the things that you will need.
Feathers.
We've got lots of different craft feathers.
Googly eyes or markers.
Toilet paper roll.
Pipe cleaners. You don't have to use pipe cleaners, but this is just so you can make it to go on your wrist.
Different colors of construction paper. And then tape, glue, and scissors. So the first thing you have to decide is what color do you want your parrot's body to be?
I need some green and red. I need green and red.
There's green for you.
I need some
Red. My parrot's body
orange.
is going to be.
Some orange. I'm just going to need a little bit of orange.
My parrot's body is going to be purple. So what you're going to do is you're going to cut a strip of construction paper that's the same width as your toilet paper roll. My parrot's going to be one color, but Lily is using several different colors for her parrot. And what you'll do then, after you have your strips of paper, is take a small piece of tape and tape on one end, roll it up, and tape on the other end so that it stays on. So we've got our body color. I chose all purple.
And I chose normal parrot colors, orange, red, and green.
Next, we're going to cut a piece of construction paper to make a little belly section. So I'm going to choose
orange is my orange.
And you just want to make a little U to show where the belly is. Here's my U, and I'm going to tape it right on there or glue it. Here's our belly pieces. And you don't want it to be too high because we are going to put the eyes on here. So next, you're going to pick what color you want your beak to be, and you're going to cut a little tiny triangle. Beaks are on. Next, you're going to put on eyes, and we're using googly eyes for ours, but you could also draw eyes if you wanted to. So we have our eyes on. And now, if you've decided that you want to decorate with markers, you can. Lily put little squigglies on her belly to show feathers. I think I'll do that too. That looks really nice. There's my feathers. And before we move on, we're going to take our scissors, and you need a grown-up to help you with this because we're going to poke a little hole in the side. These scissors might not work very well.
Yeah.
You know what? I'm going to get the other thing. Get the other thing.
These?
Yeah, those scissors. So on either side, we'll just poke a little hole.
Both sides, actually.
So I used a pen to help us get a few little tiny holes in the sides on both of them. Then you're going to take your pipe cleaner and you're going to put it through those holes. Cleaners on. Next step is to use your feathers to create wings head feathers, and a tail if you want it. And so we're going to tape our feathers on because the glue doesn't work very well on the feathers.
Yeah.
So we have our feathers on. And now what you're gonna do with your peg cleaner, hold your wrist out, Lily. And we'll put your pet parrot right on your wrist. Twist that on.
And here's our pet parrot.
We hope you enjoyed this fun toilet paper craft on this episode of
Cloverbud
Cloverbud Creators.
Thank you for